And long before my mom had dementia, she had retired from teaching, and she had taken on some interesting retirement hobbies. She had started to screenshot the selfies I would post on Instagram, and then she would print them out and go to Kohl's and buy those 30-photo collage frames and frame my selfies. But I didn't know she was doing this until I visited home one day, and I just walked into a museum. Of my narcissism. And my mom crept up behind me. She was like, "Do you love it?" What is this, a haunted house? This is fucking horrifying. I'll never take a selfie again. This is like an intervention. But here's the thing. Nobody had taught my mom how to crop a screenshot. So all of these printed, framed photos show her phone battery percentage. If somebody texted her as she took the screenshot, it's up there. There's a framed photo somewhere of my face with a text from my ex to my mom like, "Your daughter just shit in a box." Please advise. So I decided last year that I didn't want to have kids. And it was so weird because a few months later, I started to get really bad cramps. And they did an ultrasound and they found a polyp in my uterus, which is like a skin tag. And I think it's so crazy that the human instinct to reproduce is so strong that as soon as I said, "I'm not having kids," my uterus was like, "Bitch, we're growing something." You have been zero help. You keep feeding me diet cum. Just hangs out in here, makes the floor sticky. The IUD doesn't know what to do with it. Chaz had a vasectomy, so there's nothing to defend. It's like two goalies on a soccer field with no other players. All right, Madison, you guys have been fucking incredible. Thank you so much.